GOCLEAN Dry Ice Blasting Machine. Newly smart multifunctional dry ice blasting machine. Uses PLC control system, variable frequency drive, and kind of intelligent solenoid valves. Making the machine smarter and more ice saving. Inner structure chooses the over industrial standard material. Obtain 5 patents and more than 12 safety device to guarantee good use. Smarter, more ice saving, and more environmentally friendly. Dual system dry ice cleaning system taking advantage of aerodynamics principle combines compressed air and dry ice forming a powerful strength to cleaning. Using the nature force to clean applies widely. Microparticle dry ice cleaning system. 0.1 to 0.2 mm microparticle dry ice is more gentle and soft to clean. It is highly recommended for high-end refined cleaning. Pellet dry ice cleaning system has widely application.